Hey. Hello. Hey. Hello? Hello? Ahem. Ahem. Hello? Oh my goodness, this music's so loud. Okay, hey. Hello? 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 Hi, Mr. Presto. Wait, Press Boo. Is that you, Mr. Presto? I actually don't. You guys change names a lot. So sometimes I get very confused. But hi. Hey. Oh my goodness. Hi, everyone. Hi. Thank you for the 11 years. I really appreciate it. So. Okay. So, today I am working on. So, look. This whole. Look at it, chat. Look. Do you see it? Look at this. Look at it. I need y'all to stare at this. Look at it. Like right now. Look. Yes, look at it. Are you looking, chat? Are you looking? Keep staring. Look at it. Do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? I finally did it. Oh my goodness. Look, it has English. Sorry, my my pronunciation. English, Japanese, and Korean. Look at it. Look. Look. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We've it's finally oh my goodness. It's finally happening. Now I just have to change how the translation system works again and then it should be all good. But yeah. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It's amazing. It's glorious. Hi Kat. How are you? And Mabunji Magumbo and Carolee and Draga. Also, and Yummy Rice. Val, are you there? We're gonna do something real quick. Let's see. Settings. Okay. Then. Wait, where is this? Is the settings? Oh, it's creator dashboard. Community. Roles manager. Val, it's time. I don't know if Val's there. Hi, Aiden. Oh my goodness. Val? Hello? Oh, did he go AFK? Okay, if he's AFK, I'll talk about this for the time being. So, I finally did it. I learned. So, I made a font. I made English the primary, the starting language because it's my main language, obviously. So, all I had to do was make the other assets and turn them into backups. So, if I ever want to add another language, I just have to make the asset and then convert it into the format that TextTMP uses. So I effectively, yeah, this works now. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's glorious. I am so happy. Oh my goodness. I don't know what this bolt squeezing does. Oh gosh. But yeah. So I guess I've always been using variable font. So it's quicker to you? Yeah, I don't have to change anything. So I have to recode how this works now, but that's it. Hi, oh my goodness, hi. But yeah, oh my goodness, I can't believe it. It finally works. Hi, Matt. Oh my goodness, hi, Matt. Look, Matt, I did it. It's multi-language supporting now. I love it. Oh my goodness. My life is made easier now because of this. Holy. So I'm gonna have to rework how the system works, but that's about it.
Oh yeah, that's an upgrade.
Impregnate you? What the heck? Thank you for the tier 3 for 15 years. I appreciate it. Mwah. Val was just here. What happened to him? I mean, I guess he's probably just doing something. You did it. I know. I'm so happy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited about this. Oh my goodness. Finally, we can have a. So now I have. Okay, so originally this would move the signs and everything, but now I don't have to do that, which makes this even better. All I have to do is oh my, I'm so excited about this because this makes everything tenfolds easier. So all of this I'm going to have to redo real quick, but oh my goodness. So instead of it grabbing these text files and then moving them, I don't have to do that anymore. Actually, it's so nice. Oh my goodness. Ah, glorious. So I do have to change how this part works, but no, I don't actually. I just need to make sure that it translates into whatever it is supposed to translate into. But beyond that, I don't need udon on this anymore. So this can be like my template for everything. So like this makes my life so much easier. Oh my goodness. It's so nice. Actually so nice. Hi, Green. You pissed me off today, but you're forgiven for now. Stupid hoe. Ugh. I'm shaking so hard. Ship's closed. What the heck? But okay. Like, oh my goodness. This is exciting. You better be shaking right now. But yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How long have I been working to try to make a proper translation system? I didn't know it was just that easy. We had to do this. I actually did not know this. I cannot believe this. Hi, Pace. Hello. Hey. But holy. Oh my goodness. I've been working on this. I've been trying to make a translation system since Eros Districts. If you guys remember, Eros District had it too. I had such a difficult time getting it to work. Oh my gosh. And now it works. Oh my goodness. My goodness. So I just have to redo how this works. I think the only challenge is out of all of this, I need to make sure that the right table gets chosen, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna have to reorder how how stuff works here. Or if anything, I need to keep a table. No, no, no. I'll base off the table that I have in the world. So, for example, if English is the first one, it'll be language one, followed by Japanese being two, then the language code for Chinese being three, Korean four, etc., etc. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I can finally. Oh my goodness. And the best part is, this new system will be so easy for translators. All they have to do is change the stuff here. That's it. The only challenge that I have to do today, for the most part at the moment, is changing every single one of these fonts though to have what do you call it? To be switched to the new font that has everything on it. Because I don't want to use Liberation. I want to use everything like uniform with Noto-san. Because Noto-san has every language. So if I want to add more stuff, pretty much yeah. Oh my goodness, exciting, exciting. Okay, so Noto-san English. Okay. This is actually, oh my goodness. I can't, like, I've never had, I know it's something so boring and dull, but to me, I've never had something where I could use multi language like this without having issues. To me, this is like something I've been trying to figure out because you guys know I've been trying to figure out how to make the font change and everything on its own for like almost a year now. So this is something I'd have never expected, where it's all one thing. This is beautiful. Chat, you are beautiful. Amazing. I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So now we have to change everything else though. So buffer. I need to make sure all of this has fonts. And they do. Actually, it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Chat, you are beautiful. I still have to copy actually I don't even have to copy the size of this. That's the I don't have to copy the size of. Oh my gosh. Hi Pony. Hey. What's everyone's favorite Christmas movie? I don't have. You're drunk? You should order some Taco Bell. Why get drunk when you can have Taco Bell in the morning? Think about it. Think about it. This is so exciting. Was there a PlayStation game called Die Hard? I remember. It was like an arcade shooter. It would start you in a. Of all places, it's actually in an airport where it starts off, if I remember correctly. It's very popular alongside Time Crisis. Time Crisis is cool. Okay, let's see. You've been following for 28 days? Oh my goodness. Okay. Having my womb get fucked feels amazing. 4 years? And thank you, Scar, for 30 months. Mwah. I appreciate it. Also, I'm gonna burn through all the rest of all my discount tokens. So if you guys want to give subs, go ahead. That's the only time I'm ever gonna say that sentence because it's gonna be very rare. I was playing Time Crisis as a kid, begging my mom for quarters. Yeah, but they had one for like you can take one home as well. You don't have to. It's auto for everyone. Oh, so it's used. Wait, 9 days left. Oh, so it uses it up by itself? Oh, that's cool. I like that. I actually like that. That's actually really nice. There's Val. Val, look at it. Multi-language support. And it's just one asset font. It's beautiful. Twitch has decided to do it for everyone? Wait, but what about my tokens? If I had known about this, I would have used my tokens already. Okay, before I start mapping, Val, it's time. Wait for next year fall? No, I'm impatient. Next year sounds forever. Like you're telling me next year? Do you know how long I have to wait? Okay, Val, we are cleaning the IP. Okay, do we see Atsi around or no more? I wish I would show the last time they messaged. Oh, wait, it just changed the order. Okay, have you seen a Cicilidin? We haven't seen them in a while, right? You look beautiful today. You know, actually, I'm gonna talk about it. I'll do it afterwards. I can clean the VIP list now that I can go through it. Oh, that's true. Okay, but let's go through it. It'll be a chat experience of who dies. Have you seen? But I still want to do it actually. Have you seen System or Cicilidin around? I can't reply right now. Still doing stuff. Oh, okay. Then we'll pause. Can I be both VIP and mod? No. Because some of these names I haven't seen in a while. I don't think we've seen. And I do apologize if you do show around and I just missed it. I'm so sorry. Because some of these I definitely know we haven't seen. Mastodon, we're gonna keep though. We're keeping Mastodon. I have a reason for that one. Exhibits shows up, Sasaki, E-Wage. I have no idea. Fishly Banana we haven't seen. Xanderino, Wolf Magic. We still see Wook. Masterford, Cat's mom, Good Boy, Peter. Huh? We haven't seen Faraday in a while. Kiwi, I don't think we've seen in a while. Same with Lightning. Wolfak, I'm pretty sure we've seen. Jerber? I have no idea. Alan Beater, Johnny Tsunami. Some of these I haven't seen. Sakura Fatson. What? Lalera, see. Owl? Axia. Phaetos. Simple. Donut Human. Bruno we see. We haven't seen mine in a while either. Osaka Baka we do see occasionally. Amnesia I know. Mr. Pressview now. We see. Give Hayden Junior Mod. Melon's pretty much a VR chatter now, but we do see them. Bumble I've seen. Meet the Cricket. I don't remember. Oculus Machina. I don't know. Southern Toast Toast. I definitely do not remember that. Hot Yummy Rice we just saw. Hannah Host occasionally here. Jerkwad. Jackals. We've seen Halo Frog. Spoolin as well. Snaff. Rother the Paladin. Kazuma. I think Kazuma's busy with work if I remember correctly. Yin Yang Angel we do see. Mr. Cribs. We don't really see often. Cat Dog Pig. Comes around. Turnip. Yeah. Dr. Beard, yeah, just busy. Leviathan, Leviathan's always going, that's what we've been trying to tell you. Coffee Neka, I haven't seen as much. I think they're busy with work as well. Philonara, definitely haven't seen them in a while. Mighty Brand, I don't remember. Greasy, don't remember. Spring's gonna stay as well because what do you call it? I wouldn't have a PC right now if it weren't for that. My PC blew up and they came to the rescue, which is why, if anything, they're the reason why I'm still around, because I would have probably thrown the towel. Nay is around. Well, she only shows up. Maybe I'll just give Nay mod. Lich we haven't seen in a while, so we'll probably just take that off. The Blob Stick. Show everyone, so Crucial, Bugatsu, Composite, Taco. Dark shows up, but like it's because of my schedule that they're not able to watch oftentimes. Hoyt shows up occasionally as well. Sussy Plussy. We haven't seen them in a while. Hi Moth. Oh my goodness, hi. I see we don't see as much either, but we can keep them. Curly's there, Zach's the dude. Wins for Charm, we see. Black Star Rips. No idea. Clarine, Vash Stampede, Oddity of the Abyss. Asian Sun, Pompomicas, we do see. Carquisas. ZK shows up. I don't know who this Slurmer is. Gossamer? I haven't seen in a while. Poppy Please. Monkey D Warden. We haven't seen Alright Fox in a while. And Everado. We don't see Livy as much either. I don't know, I'll leave it up to you, Val. We do see Itasu. Tamara doesn't really show up. Simon's same. Prototype is always there because it's become a meme. Like, hi everyone. It's like, oh, I'm sorry, I'm ending stream. I'm so sorry. Okay. Back to map for now then. Also, you know, I'm gonna be honest. As much as I like my new outfit right now, okay, I definitely like my hair now. The hairstyle I have, I like it. It's pretty much gonna be permanent unless I kind of make a variant of it. But beyond that, it's staying. But as much as I like my dress, I don't know if it's like... I don't know if the dress I have right now is something I necessarily like. Is me, if that makes sense. Like, I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. Hi Prototype, there you are. But so I've been working on a prototype of it. It's far more racy, but like I'll have like a plug suit under it for stream purposes and such. But yeah. Val, let me know when you clean VIP. I already know a few people that we can give it to. All the new VIPs. But yeah, like Let me know when you clean out the IP because I already know some people we can give it to. Smile.jpg.image. I like whatever Iker likes. I haven't really found something that like screams me, if that makes sense. I've always been inspired by other things, but I guess because it's not my own that I necessarily am for it, if that makes sense. Like the dress I made, for example, I definitely like it, but I based it off Zero's outfit from Drakengard. And if anything, there's an old plug suit that I made that was like a two piece of a top and a bottom. That one I liked. So I think I might go back to that combination and kind of just work off of that, which I did. I can't show it on stream yet because it's not covered up fully, but I still want to get that tattoo. Oh yeah, okay. I need to work on that. I was gonna do something today, but I completely forgot. Oh my goodness, what was I going? Oh no, I already did it. I made the glyph. Okay, okay. But yeah. Oh, by the way, like people have been asking about the 3D model. It's done. It's just I haven't gotten around to finishing it. It's because this map. So what happened was VRChat had the whole thing that happened, and pretty much it messed up my scheduling again. Hi Razio, how are you? But yeah, pretty much yeah. Okay, so I'm going to change how this works now. The question is, how do I make this work? So if I'm gonna put like text table, so text table 1 is going to be English. What if I call it language table? I spelled table wrong. Language table dot. So dot 1 will represent English. So in order to get this to work, it's actually so nice that I'll be able to get rid of these buffers too. Okay, so this is gonna. Oh man. Okay, so this is gonna be a bit of a challenge. Notice that English is there. Okay, so on start, how am I gonna do this? I didn't even save it. Copy components. Okay, so if I want this to work, why didn't it copy? Open? There we go. On player language, if true, translate. If false, don't do anything. So, I don't know if something translate even if it's not active. Let's test this. for one. Debug log string, then constant string. I hope it actually works. If not, I'll cry out loud. Then working enacted on disabled. So the question is whether or not this will update even if it's disabled. I need to know if this will. Will work, chat. Will work. iCushion should be on national television if it was in charge of my country. I'm not even that like exciting or exhilarating or like I just exist, you know? But yeah, I just exist. Okay, let's see. So oh, it didn't work. Okay, let's see. So it doesn't work there. I could be on the PVC. Didn't that like get like defunded? You're perfect. You were replacing use. What? Hi, Zarity. Oh my goodness. Hi. Let's see. Player data. Will this update? No objects. What? Absence of an objects. Why does this not work? So this doesn't work at all. So does that have to be enabled? Even I guess. Hi, oh my goodness, hi. Okay, so we kind of have a little bit of an issue, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad, yeah. So, why does this not work? Working on disabled. But what about restored? I forgot to. You need to grind? There's nothing comfortable about this. At least for me. Oh my goodness. It's just hell. I just saw it. Working on disabled restored. Okay, so that works right there, but will work just even disabled? I have no idea. It doesn't work when disabled. Okay, so that is interesting. So when the object is disabled. So that's my first issue, is because of how I have I might have to create a separate system for I might have to create two systems, but they'll basically work the same. Okay, so first things first is, how am I going to set this up? Is going to be a challenge. So I need to grab this, then. So if the index is true, go ahead and. Oh, this is going to be very, very different. If the index is false, then send a reset. Oh, wait. Only if it matches, then it'll do something. So I can actually cut all of this out. So, okay. So maybe I can do temporary index again. Index local. Okay, so wait a minute. This is actually wrong. Oh, man. Oh, goodness. This is wrong. So, what I'm going to have to do is, I'm going to have to make a branch. Okay, so if... Okay, I'll do this. If the local index doesn't match the current index, then do something. No. Wait, no. I'm confused. Because this needs to go here. I think I have to start this more simple. We'll start more simple. So this needs to, okay, we need to get rid of all this parenting stuff. There's no more need for a reset, so I don't need update frames either, which is nice. I can get rid of all of this. So it'll ask to translate. So when asked for translating, it'll ask, okay, what is the index? Or no, index isn't gonna work here either. Try to get int. So it's going to ask what the int is, or what the player language is set to. Networking, get local. So then, if that's the case, first, if it's true, if it exists, then continue. If not, then do nothing. So then, we are going to find the name of the game objects. The name of the game objects is going to be... You might pass out. Good night. So int into convert to string. So it'll be language table dot and then whatever the number is. So it needs to find the object. If it finds the object, then it needs to update it and say, yeah, I want this updated. So now we have the game objects, then we need to get the transform. Then from here we find transform, find. We're finding a specific child in this. And in order to find that, we then grab the name of this object that we're sitting on, and we add target. So world signs 1. Oh no. Oh, replace. So we're replacing target dot nothing with that. Then we're finding the game objects. So replacing target dot. Also, my audio died. I'll be right back. Guess lead mods can remove VIPs. Let's go through it on stream when you're not busy. Okay, I can't find my headphones. I found my headphones. I need to go bathroom now. Okay, I'm back. Okay, pal. Are you ready just to go through the list instead? Thank you, thank you. So first, well, now we gotta find the game Oh, no, this is wrong. We don't need this. Because we're trying to find the transform. If the transform exists, then continue. Okay. If it's valid, then it should work. So it's finding... Let's see. So it grabs language, followed by the language number. So language table dot one. Then it tries to find it, finds it, then continues. So this should work. Debug log. I wish there were a faster way to make debug messages. I need to learn the combinations. I found it will be the message. So on player sword, then we'll do 3 seconds. That way I can see at the very top. So it'll go here, then do that. I guess file my AFK again. That's fine. Sorry, DMs again. Okay, that's fine. Player's sword. Huh. Did not work. Why? Player language. Set to translate, set to translate. Shut table. It should work. Why is it not working? It didn't work. Why? Why? Is it even finding the table? I don't understand. We've potentially come across a new issue. Yeah, there seems to be a new issue. It's basically saying it hasn't found those objects. So, why does this not work? So it's not finding it at all. Why is that? So, what exactly about this is not working? I fucking blew up. Hello? What happened to me? Oh, now I know. I am so. That's why this didn't work. Okay, I am stupid. I was like, why doesn't this work? And then I realized, oh, yeah, that's why it doesn't work. But hi, I'm back. Wow, hey. So I was like, how come no one's responding? Then I realized, okay, so Val, you ready to go through the list? I didn't know I disconnected this whole time. Let's see. Predicate, branch, if true, then continue. Hello? Did I perish again? Hello? Hello? Oh, did I? Oh, okay, I'm still here. I am so sleepy. I woke up at like 7. That's terrible. Not terrible, but. So that works at least, but I need to see if it'll do it while disabled. So how would I check that? So instead of this, let's do this. This, then I'll set it to get name into here. Okay. Because I don't know if it'll grab it even if it's inactive. That's the part I don't know about. Huh? calls itself buffer. Huh? So it does have to be active for its to work. I see. Oh, wait, it's right there. So maybe I just skipped over it. Okay. So if it's disabled, will it work? Interesting. What happens when it's enabled? Nothing. So when it disables, it fully disables. Okay. I'll have to make a separate system for this then. So for now, let's do this. Let's hook everything back up. You are the same person. Go ahead and continue. Then we have to ask, is it the same as the index used? If the index does not equal if the index does not equal to what's at hand, then if if it is, then do nothing. But for now, if it doesn't equal to it, then it needs to equal to it and then set. Then from there, it's going to then, because it's just using one data, I don't need this either. It will then send custom event to, or rather that. So set it to like 1.5. So from there, 1.5 into translate so that it grabs that. Then if it finds that, then continue. If then that, then continue. Then if you did find your object, then say I found it. It did not work. So what is the issue now? So it's not able to find the game object at all. Why? Doesn't even go through here, that's the question. So if it's not valid, then I thought of I found it. Oh, I see where I went wrong. It's grabbing the wrong transform. So after it finds the transform, then no, this is right. So why is this wrong? Replace target dot with nothing. Hi, Mockingjay. How are you? Buffer. World translation world side. What? So you tell me you couldn't find us at all? This valid. This get trans. Why is it all like this? Just get the name. Okay, so I get name, and since then. Okay. Maybe I'm missing it. I have to be missing. I found it. Why does this not work? Why does this not work at all? Get child by index by. I don't understand this. How does this work then? Finds a child by n and returns it. God damn. There's no way that I have to convert to string. Surely it wouldn't work like this, right? Right? Hi, hey, how are you? Yeah, it did work. I don't understand. I don't understand why this doesn't work. I don't understand. Why does this not work at all? Is it because it's sending it like it's null? I wonder. Turn target into sender. Surely it'll work. Right? Still does not work. It's just not finding it at all. Why? Hi, hey, how are you? Yeah, this isn't working at all. It seems we've come across another one of those. where it's just a Unity thing again. Find game object. If it found, then continue. Then we're getting a transform of that game object. Maybe I'll just do this again. So do like this. If it finds it, continue. Because it's not like it's going to be disabled, it's just going to be hidden. Debug, debug, debug. I found it, I found it. So now it works, but we need to make sure that it actually works. So that works. Okay. That's nice that it works like that. Okay. Actually, I need to test one more thing. To make sure that it doesn't auto-fire. What is this thing that AI is posting? It's like, AI, what is that? What is this bubble thing? I want it small now. How do I get to this? Tools? VR chat. Steam screenshot. Export on avatar. Edit invite message. Under charts. Charts. What the fuck is all of this? I have those user 000 as well. Who is this user 000? I'm friends with 100. I have mutual friends that is 181. You can see Jake and Bacon there. What the heck? He hasn't been on VR in chat in a long time though. Do you want to see my web bubble thing? Hi. Yeah? Okay. Somewhere there is. Somewhere inside the circle, there is Norman, Veronica J. I haven't seen that name. Shimmy, Timmy, Jerry, Crumpet, Mango. I haven't seen them in so long. Jor, Christasa. Oh, this is Golden Gator. Yeah, this is like Golden Gator Circle. The Yishai, I haven't seen them in so long either. Kodama. Ah, it's like Kodama's like Gundam mute, right, Val? If I'm correct about what happened with them as well. It's pretty sad in its own right. Not in a bad way. It's just like more like sad. I can't see. So if I update my player authority, this should not fire. Did it? It's firing. Why? Oh my gosh. You see what I mean? When it updates, it's like it shouldn't be updating. Why is this updating? Oh, it's because I never. Okay, okay. I didn't update this part. That's why. Do that. Do that. Translate. It's only the on players stored. Well, even then, it shouldn't be firing. So if it updates again, wait, this part's wrong. No, because index is what we're using now. We don't need local index. So if the local or if the index matches, yeah. If it doesn't match, then do something. Okay. So if 0. Okay. So if 0, then F1. F1, then now it works. Okay, so it's set to 1. Now, what if I change this? Oh, did it work? It works! I finally prevents it from updating when it shouldn't be updating. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Chat, this is beautiful. You are beautiful. Oh my goodness, I just cracked my back and I pulled a muscle. So now, if this updates, it didn't update. What if I do 5? Why is this not updating? Back to 1? Updates right there. But what if I move to 2? Doesn't make sense. Why is this not working? Okay, so I'm at 0, then language moves to 1. Index is currently at 0, so then if it doesn't match, then you set it to 1 and you start translating. Bam. Now, what if I move to 2? If it's... What? If it's set to 2, then... If it's set to 2, then this updates to... This updates to 2. And if it's 2, then it checks the index. But it says, oh, it's different. So it sets the new index and translates that. I don't understand. Why is this not working? I don't understand, chat. And tell me. Why is it not working? So we're going to 1. Okay. Then we're going to 2. Three. What? I don't understand. Why is 2? 1. Why is it not firing? How about 2? Oh! Yeah, I don't understand. What? Okay, we've got a new problem, so it seems. So, for whatever reason, this doesn't update now. Maybe it's happening too fast? Okay, so what if I do this? So if it exists, continue. Then you grab the set index and then continue that. Don't need that. I think that's happening too fast. I think that's what's going on. Okay, so if it's now if it does that, then it should work. Okay, so set to 1. Found it. Set to 5. Nothing happens. 7. Nothing happens. So that's nice. Then set this to 2. I swear, I forgot one problem and a new problem happens. I don't understand. I really don't understand why is VR chat just like this? Why does this not work? If that's not, I don't like. Hello. Because I don't want this constant. Oh my goodness. I need to figure out how to read this on player restored. I don't know how to grab this info stuff either. Like, get link? That info right, get info. Yeah, I don't understand. I imagine this is like a for loop of trying to get whatever it is. But like, huh. This kind of messes everything up. At least to say. You can probably pay attention now. I was gonna say, let's go through the lists together. Let's check VIPs. Okay. We'll start with Cisalodin. I don't really see their names, so like as often. Are they stay or go? Yeah, lurkers can stay. Lurkers are fine. I haven't seen him in ages. Okay, so let's take VIP off. Let's move that. Prototype is here. We don't see Itazu either as much, do we? They kind of just disappeared. Unless I'm wrong. We don't see Tamarin in here either. Same with Citymon. Perhaps. We're just clearing stuff at the moment. But yeah, we haven't seen Citymon, have we? Kakinatsu. Okay, okay. I believe we've seen Menace. There's Menace to All, SVPV, and Mason OK. Okay, as we're going through stuff, I might as well give VIPs out. So first and foremost, we'll do... Okay, so Menace can say the other two go. Hi, Leviathan. SVPV and Mason OK. Sorry, I was opening up another stream so I can have two streams open, so I can go back through the other messages. Hi, Ra, how are you? Hasn't typed in 7 months? Okay. Let's see. So Mumbo has it as well now. Then I'm not going in any particular order, by the way. Just to put that out there. Yeah. So SVPV. What about Circa Man 99 and Vixen 32? I haven't seen those two names in a while, at least to my knowledge. But then again, I can be very blind. Circa Man and Vixen 32. Hasn't typed in 3 months. So do we keep or let go? That is the question. Oh, both haven't typed? Okay. I guess we'll take both off. Or we'll keep Circa, but Vixen will be pulled off. We haven't seen Adsy either. Livy is very rare, but I don't know about their logs. I time traveled to go back to start a stream because I know there was more people there are more people that could get VIP, but I wasn't. Let's see. Right about here. Oh my gosh. That's true. Okay, so Atsy's gone. What about Livy though? Okay. Okay, let's see. Am I missing names here? Let's see. I think I got everyone so far that I can think about. Maybe hasn't typed in 2 months. I guess we'll keep him for now. Because if we took him out, then we had to take out Circa as well. I haven't seen Evil Rado and Arith Fox. Okay, let's see. VIP. Where is... I just saw their name. And then... Oh, there. I was trying to find this person. Okay, yeah, Evil Rado and Arith Fox. Exactly a year ago. Oh gosh. Okay. What about Arith Fox? Yeah, pretty sure I got everyone so far. I need one more. There's one more name. I'm trying to find it. Oh, there it is. Same with Fox? Okay. Monkey D. Warden. Poppy, please. There they are. Poppy hasn't typed in 3 months? They'll say then. Monkey D. Warden, though? Warden can go? Okay. Kamapua and Gossamer. Gossamer. Thomas the Lurker? Oh, you're right. You're right. Sorry, that is on me. But okay. What about Gossamer? Gossamer can go. Okay. Then we have. Oh, ZK shows their own. Lermer and Carquesis. Also, I've been giving out VIPs as we're going through all of this. So yeah. How do I do this? I'm trying to get the... Oh, here it is. In a couple of months? Okay, we'll take it out then. And Carquesis. Carquesis can go? Okay, okay. What about Pompomicas and Asian Sin? Okay. In a month. Only a month. They can stay. If it's been 3 months or less, then they can stay. If it's been more, then can go. Tell us who is next. I've seen Vash in a while. Asian's last mistress is 2 years ago. Oh gosh. Hopefully they're okay. Let me hold this down so I can just map too instead of just waiting. I don't know why this doesn't work. It's very upsetting that this won't work at all. I have no idea why. I did. What about oh no, I didn't. What about Vash Stampede? I'm pretty sure I've seen Vash Stampede. Clarion shows up especially during mapping streams. It's just hours. So Vash Stampede, Oddity shows up here and there. So literally just Vash and then Black Star Rips. I wonder why this won't update at all. This is like so upsetting that it won't update properly. I have no idea why. Every couple of months. So should we let him keep it or no? I mean, if they're doing it once a month, I'm fine with it because they've also been VIP for 4 years, so. Oh, okay. What about Black Star Reps? Yeah, they're very active when they're around. Clarine as well. They were here yesterday, if anything. So what about Black Star Rips though? Virtual Shrine, I do remember. They show up every so often here and there as well. So I wasn't typed in 2 months. Okay, they'll say. Wins, I'm pretty sure I've seen them every so often. Zax's dude is active here and there. They're pretty much a VR chatter now. Curly is we just saw Curly today. I see he shows up every so often. Sussy Plussy, I haven't seen them since, so I don't know. Same with Hoyd. Hoyd shows up here and there as well. Dark shows up here and there. With Dark, it's because of my time zone. But whenever they do stuff, they always do tier 3 and everything too. They're like, hi. It's just literally my stream schedule is like changed again. Icy can say, if anything. I forgot. Hoyd shows up. I'm not sure about Taco. I'm pretty sure I remember Composite. I'm pretty sure Composite and Taco shows up. No, I haven't seen Taco in a while. Unless, like, I've just been blind. Please don't remove. You've already been removed. Taco hasn't typed in 6 months? Okay. Mugatsu I haven't seen in a while either. They're mostly from Rob stream, if I remember correctly. What about Composite? Pia and Nara, I haven't seen them forever. Lichbay, I actually don't know. They're like it's very like spontaneous. Yeah, I already removed Mugatsu's. Nay can save for now. Let's do. Should keep active for VIP people. Oh, for active people. Okay, so we'll. If that's the case, then has been around. Okay. What about Crushall? I haven't seen Blobstick in a while either. Spring can say, without them, I would have never had my PC. Coffee Neko, I haven't seen in a bit. Dr. Beard shows up to Horizon. Coffee Neko has a job and everything, like full time too. Rother the Paladin shows up very often. Yin Yang Angels, Mr. McCribs. Spillin shows up. Hanaho as well. Who's before spring? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I lost my spot. So there's Crushall, the Blobstick, and yeah, Crushall and the Blobstick. Sorry, Nay. I had to take your VIP off. That was a social badge. What is this? Social badge? Beta? What is this? Oh, I didn't know that. Flops has been around for 2 years. Oh gosh. Okay, so Flop 6, Pressure on 1 year. Okay. Greasy Jarvie and Mighty Brand. In a year? Mighty Brand. $5 months? Okay, we'll take it off. It's a bit too long. Coffee Echo and we haven't seen Coffee Echo in a while. Okay, what about this Leviathan person? They're always going. That's what we've been trying to tell you. Okay, what about Turnip? I'm pretty sure I've seen Turnip here and there. Same with Cat Dog Pig Cow. He sucks. Turnip's active? Okay. I figured that was the case. CDPGC. What, the one that had the Q-related name? Okay, that makes much more sense. You guys keep name changing and stuff. Mr. Gribbs and Yin Yang Angel. CDPCs? Okay, they can stay for now then. Same with Yang Yang? Okay. Then what about Mr. McRibs? So he typed a couple days ago. You're right. I just keep forgetting. Okay. Cosmo, I'm pretty sure we've seen around. Same with Paladin. Okay. Then we have Snap always shows up. Spoolin, we know. They show up very often. Halo Frog as well. S Jackals. Jackal's active too. I figured that was the case. See, what makes it hard for me, like, what makes it doing this a bit difficult is because I always apply a face to a name, but when it comes to names, you guys have to understand. I keep forgetting that my birthday's on on the 31st and not the 30th. You see, like, I will never remember stuff that's like stuff like it's very. Wait, it's on the 30th. You're right. Anyways, shh, quiet, settle down. Hannah who we see every so often here and there. Yes, hi Micah, hi. Yummy rice we just saw, southern toast on toast, and the meet the cricket. No, I'm just bad with names and dates. And that's in types and ones. They'll stay for now. And what about meet the cricket? Oh, right. The 31st is the Halloween. I was thinking the 30th was Halloween. Any gifters? There's no way. There's no way. I can't even break 100 subs, so it's like, there's no way, no. That's like, that's cool and all, but it should disable it for me so I don't have to be reminded. Smart.jpg the image. Ooh. Okay. Meet the cricket. On taxes? Yeah, but it's like who's gonna do that? Cricket hasn't typed in a year? Okay. And what about Southern Toast? Or yeah, Southern Toast on Toast.
Hi, hi!
Hey, what the heck? Think there are 1,000 beds. Hi, Dr. Beard. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Mwah. Toast hasn't typed in 6 months. Okay. Akos Machina. I swear we've seen Akos just the other day, have we not? Have we? Hmm? And we've seen Bumble, Gigi as well. Yeah, Akos is pretty active. Yeah, they say hi and lurk. What about and Bumble too? Okay, I figured. Okay, Amnesia, I know. Osaka the Baka. I'm pretty sure Osaka shows up here and there as well. We haven't seen Mai in forever. My Fate. Osaka's last message was a month ago. Okay, then they will say Mai has been MIA. What? Oh, we're clearing VIPs. I assume they've been busy with lives, so there's that. Yeah. Bruno shows up, always mocks me, being like, "Why are you playing on easy mode? Why are you playing on easy mode?" It's just like, hey, look, settle down. I'm not good at games. Just don't die. Just don't die. We haven't seen at least Donut Ningen. That tells others to play horror games. But playing a horror game doesn't require skill. There's a difference. I have no skills. Over here, we've seen Simple. I remember. I'm pretty sure Fate Talks typed it today. Did they not? Simple JB. Yeah, Simple JB. Or Simply JB. In 4 months? Well, we'll keep it for now. What about Fate Talks? I'm pretty sure I saw Fate Talks type today. Did they not? Your trip tomorrow? You don't want to get ready? Ooh, are you excited though? Holidays, holidays. You're not excited? What the heck? Are you going out to families? Oh, I'm sorry to hear. Fate Talks has type in 10 months? Okay. Axia, I remember. I'm pretty sure Axia is around. Ten-hour drive? Oh, that sounds terrible. Why not just take a plane at that point? Yeah, Axia types often, I remember. What about... Oh well, I don't like the anxiety. You know, it sounds odd, but flying is actually much safer than driving. At least statistically, so... Over here. Lalero we see often. Sakura Fatson. Am I going to catch a plane in time? Will be delayed? Will it get me? Well, that's why you gotta leave early. Oh, well, but it's Christmas too, so... Yeah, I can understand that. If it's holiday stuff, then it's like... Yeah, airport might be packed. Sakura since I've been 10 months. Mr. Popular HD, I think we've seen. Yeah, Mr. Popular is pretty common. We're almost through the whole list. Oh my goodness. Timex shows up. Mr. P hasn't typed in 2 months. Okay, they'll stay for now. Johnny Tsunami 7. Also, if you're a lurker and I call your name, I'd just be like, no, I'm still here. And if you're a lurker and you've been around often, I don't know how we're going to prove you're active, but just say like, yeah, me. But if you're trying to keep a streak of like not typing in chat, that's fine. Okay. Alan XCD Eater. Do redeems break that no type? Nope, it doesn't. Actually, what if I make a, a redeem for like lurkers? And it's just like they redeem it. It's like hi. What about Jer Bears? That one I have not seen, at least to my knowledge, in a while. I'll have it once. Wolfvac. I feel like I've seen the name. It's just one of those things where it's more like they say hi and then lurk. Urshiwa, Wolfvac. How about writing? RYGHTNING. A month ago? Okay, they say. What about KiwiCraft? I think Kiwi is a bit pretty active. Are they not? Last I recall. Yeah, here and there. Okay. Faraheen and Sidian. CYD1 and Faraheen. Faraheen, I don't know if they're still active or not, is the thing. I don't remember fully. $2 months ago? Okay. What about Sidian? What's a month ago? Okay. What about... I can't keep up with these names. Cat Mom's Good Boy Pet Turi. I can't keep up with these names, okay? That one types these names. I don't remember who is who because these names. There's someone on VR chat that keeps name changing and it's pissing me off. I like okay. Stop changing your name to the newest anime character that is trending. Please, just make my life easier. Oh my goodness. Name changes always throw me off. Well, for me, what makes it worse is when they're doing it based off off a character. To Master Draga, but even then, you have Draga as part of it. I'd be able to remember it and be like, oh, that's you now. Okay. Oh my goodness. There's like this one person, they went from Sparkle, I believe, to Floridalis to I can't do it, please. Oh my goodness. I can't. Master Ford is around. At least to my knowledge. And I believe Wook 40 is a lurker, if I remember correctly. Yeah, to both of them? Okay. Just see, I can remember to a degree. Wolf Magic 9. This is the artist from Rob's community. He's still around IDK about here. Wolf hasn't typed in a while? Okay. Oh. Sorry, Wolf Magic. Xanderino and Frisky Bananas. Banana, I'm pretty sure, drops by here and there. Same with Zan, actually. At least in my knowledge. Oh, okay. Well, what about bananas? And 4? Do we keep it? Do we not keep it? What is the verdict, Val? What is the verdict on banana? Do we keep or let go? 4 months. We can keep? Okay. What about E-Wage? Over here? Okay. Then all that's left is Sasaki. Sasaki's active. Exhibits as well. And then there's Mastodon. Mastodon hasn't typed in, I can imagine, a long time. But that one's staying indefinitely. If you know, you know. I hope they're doing well. Wherever they are now. Okay. And there we go, VIPs are cleaned up. Okay. So now the new question is back to mapping. I don't know how, in all honesty, I'm going to do that. I actually just don't know how to set this up. Also, if you guys have recommendations for VIPs to give out, just tell me. I'd like to think I got everyone, but I have to check. We have to do other streams as well, because I know I missed a few people that dropped by as well that just aren't here because of Christmas. But yeah. So for those that are still here, thanks for hanging out. And thanks for staying around. I'm glad you're enjoying your stay and you think that I'm entertaining in some form or manner. I don't know how I'm entertaining, but apparently you see it that way. So now then, how do I set this up? Trying to get it. Translate. I don't know how to do this. Because this won't synchronize at all. So it's like. I have no idea how to do this. Like, straight up. I actually don't know how to do this. Set to integers. What if I do this? Convert to ints. You go from int value to int value. Okay. I don't know if this will work, but if it does, it does. Okay, let's see. So if I do this, then doesn't work. English? Works. But the question is, it's when I change this. It still does it. See, it's still doing it right there. Whenever someone's data updates, it changes. I don't know how to fix that. I don't know. I actually don't know. I'm so confused. I don't know why this won't work. I really don't understand why this isn't working. Set integer. Okay, I'm gonna try something really stupid. Instead of using an integer itself, I'm going to use a string. This is probably the worst idea ever, but if this works, I'm just gonna cry out blood. Convert to integer. Convert to 32, then pull that there. Like, this is gonna be so stupid if this works. If true, continue, then... Set index, convert to string. This is gonna be the worst idea ever. Will you ever switch to Udon Sharp? I want to. It's just I've been so busy. I literally just don't have the time to learn it because I'd rather just stick with Udon until like I have absolute free time. Udon Graph is the pro builder of VRC coding. It is. There's stuff that's exposed in Udon Sharp, but not here. Another thing is, I built everything in Udon Graphs, especially over to the Bohel. I don't want to take the time to convert it into Sharp. Because, yeah. that whole thing took... When it comes to the map itself, I'd rather keep it in Graph because it's easy for me to, like, you know, to remember or see the path how it goes, if that makes sense. And thank you for wasting your points. I appreciate it. Okay, let's see. 5. Still does that. 4. Still does that. I don't understand. Player language. Convert to string. Why does this not work? Oh my gosh, I don't know. I really don't know. You can't leave notes? Oh yeah, you can. Or here, create a comment and then create a group. See? A lot of your graph is copy and paste. Yeah, to an extent, but What am I doing here? Oh, I see what you mean. See, more than likely, this person Udon Sharp is the thing as well. Graph is amazing in its own way, but also the bane of my existence in other ways. Like, I really don't understand why this doesn't work. How would I do this? How would I do this? Because when a player's data updates, it's just going to keep firing. And I can't have it doing that is the thing. I don't know how to read this. I'd like to know. I'm still a beginner in all of this. I want to know how to figure out which one's updating and which isn't, if that makes sense. VR chat player updated info. Player data. When using on-player data, consider whether scripts limited to trigger on changes for the local player. This will be triggered for every remote player as well. Example, using setting for remote can just update for a local player, but co-op dog indicating that that's all dogs can react to the increase of a player's score to increment the global score. Networking, synchronization, request serialization, player data has a similar bandwidth as one without behavior with synchronization set to manual. No. Player data storage exceeded? That's a thing? I actually didn't know that. I wonder what the limit is. Player data info. A player data update event provides player.info array. This contains all the current player data keys associated with that player. Each element contains one of the following: key for property, key type string associated, which can be queried, can be used in queries and mutators, state enum, enumerators. The most recent state of the player data key at the point in which player update has happened. The state enum can describe. Oh. Player data consider. No. Player restored. Get player. Ooh, wait, what? Get player data storage usage? Yeah, time simple. Sorry, I'm just looking at this documentation. I'm still a bit lost. For the language thing? What do you mean? Seems variable. Trigger time variable changed. Variable changed. On variable changed. Huh? I have an idea. Another stupid idea. It's probably going to be a really stupid idea, but you know what? It's worth a shot at this point. That's a bit of a race. I I suppose. Let's see. Okay, 5, then 4. doesn't work. Why? Player language. Player language. Yeah, you've been around for a while. For a long time. A lot of people got VIPs. It's just I missed it the first time. So it's very deserved. Because I know you come around often as well. So it's like, yeah. I just hadn't cleaned a VIP in a while, so there's that too. I don't know how to do this. You just lurk. That's fine. You are fine. Lurking or not, if you enjoy your stay, then I don't see the issue personally. Because I lurk a lot in other people's stream. For example, in Kashi, I think my sub is at like 6 months now, but I've never once talked there. Okay, let's see. After 3 seconds. I just don't know why this doesn't update. I'm at a complete loss with why this isn't working at all. It's not showing me in anything in the debug log to like indicate that there's any issues. So it's like, yeah, it was about the colorful birds. I was like, no, I refuse. Let's see, index, then set local index. Oh, okay. So I'm going to be checking the local index. I don't know why this doesn't work. Why? I will get this working if it's the last thing I do. Two, then did it just work? I don't understand. Why does this work now? Are you serious? Why is this firing? I found it, I found it. If it's... I don't... What? It shouldn't be firing, but why is it firing then? Okay, we're going for gold. We are going to Beyond Stupid. I can't believe I am actually having to do it like this. Equals string equals. I can't believe I actually have to do it like this. I don't know if converting it to strings is going to work, but we'll find out, right? Surely this doesn't work, right? Surely this doesn't work. If it does, then shit. Okay, let's see. Set this to 1. 1, I found it. Then set this to 5. There's no way this works. Oh my gosh. Okay, 2, then wait, what? It's still not updating properly. Oh, because it didn't exist. So 1, I found it. 1, I found it. Okay. So then... It's still doing it. This is so stupid. It's... my gosh. Okay. I'll change it back to index. Index, index, then... index, index. I'll get rid of this. We'll try it like this. Convert to string, then if true, do nothing. If false, do something. This is actually so dumb. I can't believe this. I fix one thing, I stumble into like the next boulder. It makes me so sad. Oh my gosh. I'm straight up like I have no idea. I'm at a loss of words. More or less. Like, yeah. Found it, found it, found it. So, if I put this to 1, there it is now. I don't understand. Why is it still firing when it's something else entirely? I'm losing my mind. I am losing my mind. I have no idea how I'm going to approach this. So if I change the player authority, which is... I don't understand. I actually don't understand. This should not be continuing, but it is. That hasn't been delayed. If true conceive. Set the strings. Because even that player language should be what? If it matches, if index matches, then I have another idea. This is gonna be worse than last. Okay. This is gonna be more stupid than I've like ever things I do. So instead of an integer. Wait, what? Oh. Yeah. Player set player data set string. Oh gosh, I can't believe I'm doing it like this. This is even worse. Oh my goodness, chat. Oh my goodness. Language. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I'm doing it. English. Japanese. Chinese. Oh. Wait. I can't do this. Log block again? I don't remember. I can't do it this way either. Because if I do this, then this is lost. Because it's looking for a table. Well, no. No, this can work. This can work. Period. This is like, oh my god, this is worse. Spanish, and then instead of language table 1, it'll be it'll be English. Okay, so oh man, this is terrible. Okay. Oh man. Oh, this is gonna be painful. Pain pickle. So show up on stream because they're personal emotes. Okay. Oof. This is gonna be terrible. Last index. Try to get. Try string. Try to get string. Oh my god, this is gonna be so fucking bad. This is going to be so bad. I can't believe I'm doing it like this. Right here we are now. Last index and comparing it to that. If it does not match, then go ahead and continue. If it does match, then do nothing. Fucking terrible. I do not recommend doing it using strings necessary, but I'm at my limit. Oh my goodness. If it doesn't match, continue. So that if it doesn't match, then then again grabbing this and saying, okay, if that is the case, then set up the new index to be whatever it is. Then continue by oh shit, I deleted something I wasn't supposed to delete. Oh, right. Oh, okay. I see how I did this part. Just then. We're replacing language table with so then we're getting the language table, so it'd be this language table. Oh, okay, I remember. Language table dot English. Oh my god, this is terrible. Don't ever do this, chat. This is like this is gonna be so stupid. The minds call you? Oh no. Okay. This is the most stupid idea I've could ever think about. So it sets as player English. Found it. Okay, so if I do that, administrator. Are you serious? It doesn't work still? Oh my. What? This actually doesn't work? That is color me surprised. What? Oh, yeah, okay, actually color me surprised. I didn't, it didn't set the index. If true, continue, then get the string value. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is a terrible idea. So instead of using integers, I think what's going on is it's not recognizing the numbers because it's in a different format. Like there's U32 or like integer 16, like in bits of 16, I believe, or 32 and 64. I think that's what's going on. So what I'm doing is I'm converting it into pure strings. It's so fucking terrible. Oh my goodness. So I'm basically using letters as words instead. Japanese. It goes to Japanese, then English. Found it, found it, found it. Then from here... It still does it. Are you serious? It doesn't work? Is this like a bug or something? I don't understand. Why does this... Wait. Why is only one firing? Wait, that doesn't make sense. I found it. Only one. Song? It's Animal Crossing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I thought we finally had a translation system. Only for it to backfire. This is crazy, Daya. This is not fun. Oh my goodness. Why does this not work? Without you. Then the last index has to... It needs to equal. String, string. Maybe I have to convert to string? A snapshot? Yeah. Here, I'll just like super zoom it for you. Here's the first part. So these two is basically to cover like when you spawn in. And this is the part where it checks if it's been translated or not yet. If that makes sense. So yeah. I have no idea. I actually have no idea why this won't work. Yeah. So the top one just focuses on, yeah, there's three separate graphs or like groups of nodes, but they all work together. So both of these, when they both update, so when you spawn in, this one fires. When you update and change your language, this one fires. And both of these then respond to this. If that makes sense. But I don't know why it's just not working. So I am so dumbfounded by this. Like, I actually have no idea why this is happening. And I don't want this to happen because if this happens, that means every time a player's data gets updated, it's going to fire every single thing out there. So it's like, oh, how do I solve this? How do I solve this? It's coming from the end where so it goes so it goes through here and says by here it says so in the first part. Okay, so when you change your language, it'll update right here. It'll make sure that you are that player, and then it'll check, hey, is this firing again? But is the like has your player language changed? If your player language is the same, do nothing. But if it did change into like maybe it's right here. Yeah, it is right there. Yeah, it's in string format by default. Maybe it's happening too fast that the branch can't. Oh, I do have commands for lurking though. Oh, hi, Zax. Hmm? Age is 40 years. What? I think the problem's right here. I think this is where it is. I'm pretty sure it's right here. Okay. So first let's fix that up. So it's so blurry. I'm gonna disable this for now. What if it... Let me try this. There's no way, right? It's, if this works, I'm going to be dumbfounded even more. Because that shouldn't work. And if it does work, then Oh, beats me. Oh, it's just broken now. Okay, that didn't work. So why did this not work? That breaks it? I have no idea. I've actually no idea. I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea. Destroy it all and start over. It's just not working in general. I actually don't know. I'm like actually so lost by this. I don't know how to use this data rate either. Like actually. I'd like to know how to use it, but the name type matches? I thought they should be able to use the thing. Get value, get a synchronize is ready. Synchronize equals. Hi, Jackals. Oh, see? Okay, see, now I remember Jackals. Because Jackals always goes squeeb. I remember now. So how do I do this? How would I do this? How would I do this? Actually, there might be another way to do this. I'm off. I have an idea.
Build a website you love.
Ads. There's ads. My ad uh, anyways, leave me alone. Stop it, Akira. Akira. Okay. I've an idea. I have an idea. No, it wouldn't work. I take it back. Because if I deactivate it, then how am I supposed to reactivate it? My goodness. I finally fixed the translation issue. Now I have a new translation issue. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. How would I do this? How would I do this? Idea. I have a new idea. Okay, new idea. I've a new idea, chat. You are the owner, then go ahead and do that. If not, then well, the thing is, I could keep it local, but I want it to be synchronized so that when you rejoin the world, it'll pretty much yeah. Also, I need the data to change in order for these events to trigger. Yeah, I want to keep it to the settings I showed. I have an idea. I have an idea though. Witness. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to add another check into this. So let's see. So instead of last index, we're getting rid of all of this. Name of this object. So what we're going to do is we're going to do another addition, then set this to target, then if true, continue. Set this right here. So instead of language adding to language table, it will be language table dot toggle dot okay. So then if this item exists, so this would be, for example, language.table.toggle.english. Corrects, Clarine. Corrects. Get active self. If this is active, then oh shit. So once it turns on, it needs to check if it's this might work. This might work. This might work. This is gonna be the weirdest logic system I've ever made. Oh my goodness. One of the weirdest. So then, okay, here we go. So now we have to make a language toggle. Ooh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Language dot table dot toggle dot English or toggles. Let's see. Language dot toggles. So before you read, no, the player restored is only for like when you start VR chat. So when you join the world the first time, the restored will happen. But this is after, like, player updated is for afterwards, if that makes sense. I have an idea. I have an idea. I need to. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this, then English, Japanese, then put on behavior, then put that there. Couple things. So these are gonna be disabled by default. No. They always should be always on by default because that's how VRChat starts everything. So what I'm going to do now is send custom event. Goggles. Then get transform. Hi, Geo. Oh, right. There we go. I remember now. There you go. Get child counts. Then get child. We cleared our VIPs for those that are active. Smile. Child counts. Get child. What? Oh. Child. Then, oh shit. Then get game object. For every game object, set active. Then networking, get local player, get string, try to get string. Player language. Then then find game object find. So string addition. Then language dot table dot toggle dot whatever, and then add that there. Then I have to save to get I get the sleeping. Oh, I already have it. Don't worry. I already have I got it long ago. Thank you though. It's the thought that counts. So find object, then send custom event delayed in seconds. So about I'd say 3 seconds set it to late. Then from there, custom event disable. That active disable. Okay. So then we need to add one more for this, where it checks the toggle if it's disabled or not. So you grab this, check branch. If it's inactive already, then get active self. If it is inactive, for some problem, do nothing. If it is active, okay, so here we go. So toggles. It checks for if something is active. Toggle dot language whatever. So English. It's active. Okay. So then we go all through of it. We go through everything. And we make sure everything is toggled. Then again, it checks, hey, I need this. So after 3 seconds, it disables. Now, if they try firing it again, it's already disabled. Do nothing. Okay, but then if it's a different one, what happens if it's different? Then everything resets to positive. So during that 3 seconds, then during those 2 seconds, the buffer has to do its thing immediately. So no delays. It needs to translate and yeah. So during this, it will check What a 1 second delay. 1.5 actually. So during the 1.5, it'll check if the toggle is active. If it is active, continue and say, hey, it's time to translate. You have to get this logo after I just do it to make sure that it's grabbing. Yeah, Udon's a bit confusing. So don't worry, it's like if you get confused as well, yeah. Oh, it's still on throne? I'll take it off. Thank you though. I'll be sure to remove it. Okay, let's see. Questions, whether or not this will work. Text label, English, Korean. Korean's not there, so it's not gonna do it at the moment. So if I do Japanese or English, are you serious? Now it just doesn't want to work. Why didn't English toggle? Toggles. Toggle. Toggles if English updates. Should we compile? Toggles that table dot toggle dot English line game object. See if it's active. If it's active, then continue. So then transform, get out, KK objects, and you keep all of them on. Then after 3 seconds, disable it. So dot table dot toggle dot English. My gosh. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I've been making sure that it's been toggling as well. I just don't know why. Why won't you work? Why is this crashing? Are you fucking serious? Why is this part crashing? I don't understand. Ugh. Sometimes Udon is just so... What part is it crashing on? Right here? Something's crashing it. No, it just tells you it fails. That's it. It's not defined. The ones that will tell you is like which one crashes. Yeah, on startup. This one's okay because it's acknowledged. So this one is failing miserably. Dot table dot toggle and it should be dot English. So what is it not working? Get active cell. Let's delete this one real quick. Let's see if it disables everything at least. Crashing right there. Iceland press plate. Shot table dot. You see language dot table dot toggle. Language dot table dot toggle. Language dot table dot toggle. That's fine. It's right. Table toggle. Table. It's right here. This get transform. Get child count. Why? What? Get child. Get game objects. This get transform. Get child count. Babel? Language table dot English. No, it's not getting it from there. It's getting from this. It's supposed to pull it from here, but it's not. This transform. This, then it transform. Get child, get child. 1, 2, get child. It's in the loop. Really? There's no way I have to do this. Oh my gosh. I swear. I swear, if I have to do it like this, I'm going to salt. I will salt blood. Oh my gosh, there's no way. It's doing it still. What am I doing wrong? Wait, it works. It actually worked this time. But why is it crashing? Toggle. There's sword. Is it the there's no way it's the restored. It's not the restored. Wait, it actually just isn't crashing anymore. There's no. Oh my gosh, there's. Is the restored why my thing was not working? There's no actual way. There's no way. What? Were you telling me this whole time? This must be a bug. Oh, there. It's this. I'm actually getting fucked over by this. I don't. So. Does that mean this whole time that this wasn't working because of this? I want to have player data syncing, but I guess this could work then. Oh man, I don't like this one bit. So, oh my gosh, I think I need to take a break and take a day 3. I'm trying to fix this. I mean, we got the translation. We finally got it all together, but I am stumped on this. DBD? I'll do DBD another time. I'm just kind of burnt right now. I'm actually just kind of burnt. I'll be ending soon because this is terrible. I'm gonna try it. I'm going to try it. Things I do. My goodness. Oh my gosh. What? Oh, there's another VIP Jacob. Wait, did it not do it? Hello? Geek, can you type again? Okay, there you go. Player language, then. One, two, three. Nice. Mind. It's in my mind. Slowly is in my mind. Slowly is in my mind. There's no way that try to get it. That's that. Variable is check language. So. If this equal this, do nothing. But if it doesn't, then do something. Which is target language table target language dot table. Set this into the new one. Okay, then get this, convert to string, then language dot table So English is one. Then fix this, continue. Then this, followed by wait. I forgot what I did for this part. Oh my gosh, I'm losing my mind. I'm forgetting everything now. Target translation sign. This get name find. I'll do this after then. I just need to make sure that I can find this stuff. Check language. Okay. So if it doesn't match, then oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, chat. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It just won't work. Why won't you work? So found it. Then still fires. Oh my gosh, I don't know. It's still firing. I don't know why it's not working, chat. Okay. I have an idea. We'll go the extra mile. No, there's two. Okay, so even if you change a different data, it's still firing. So for example, I use something called player authority to dictate what type of roles a person has. When that updates, it's not even related to the language system, but it still fires. That's the issue. I have an idea. I need to... Yeah, it's pretty much triggering it even though it's not supposed to. Okay, I have an idea. It's changing table. So we're going to add this, then only this one should do it. If changing table, then if language table is active, then language table is active. Is changing table. If it is, then okay. So first, so if it finds the language table, So it finds the table. What does it do with the table? It disables it. If it's changing it, then set active. Okay, well, first we have to, if it is active, continue. And say you found it. Now, if you're changing the table, then you are going to disable it because if it's inactive, it should do nothing. Make sure stop table 1. Maybe I don't need local. Or the toggles right there. Okay, chat. Okay. So it says, I found it, and then disables. Now, we'll fire again. I did it! Oh, no way! I did it! Oh my gosh! Okay, I did it. I actually did it. Finally. It actually works. Oh my goodness. I cheated a little bit, but that works. It's okay. It's fine. Okay, so what I'm gonna have to do now is I'm gonna have to push this back. Then this is going with this. This needs to disable it. This is a band-aid fix at this point. So now, if the table is active, this is the part where it'll do the translating, basically. So this is the part where it does all its translation. So basically, this log is going to get replaced by this. This is the one that says, okay, I'm grabbing my name. I'm changing my target into translation world sign, and I'm trying to find translation world sign. If I find it, then continue. And then take the translations. So this is the next part. I'll do this next stream. But yeah, this is basically this right here. This will have to go last. For this part, I'm going to have to make a second command where when this is used, the table will reset and enable everything for everything to trigger. But I'm also going to have to put a delay real quick so that everything has time to sync. So I already have it actually. So 3 seconds, then 2 seconds. And I'm going to make a trigger that disables the button for a moment. Oh my gosh. There it is. We finally got it. This is broken for whatever. Well, I don't know why. Okay. So it wasn't that it wasn't broken. It's just for whatever reason, Udon's having issues with this. So this isn't necessarily broken at all. So if I do this, then it should work now. Found it. 0. It didn't work. What the fuck is going on with this? Or did I not add it? Did I not plug it back in? Oh, I didn't plug it back in. I'm stupid. Okay, so after the okay, I just want to make sure that the resync works. So after resync, table deletes it. It works! Oh my gosh, it fucking works. We did it. Translation system in progress again. This is a total of almost 7 hours of my life. The things I do for the community. Excuse me? The debug log. I need a playback of this. When did that fire? Did it do it before or after? If it did it after, I'm gonna cry out blood. And I'm just gonna masturbate and get myself banned on stream via chat. And get myself inevitably banned on via chat too. When does that happen? Okay, wait. I need to delay this. I need to make sure that I am not going insane over this. I'm adding a delay. 3 seconds. Custom events. Get that. Disable. If changing table, disable, then disable. Use that other site you never. I don't have something on the other site. Hi Yumi. I'm fucking I'm salting. I'm saltier than the Dead Sea. Okay. Why did all of them fire now? That doesn't make sense. That does not make sense. Oh, because they didn't have time to trigger. That's what's going on. Okay. That's why it was only showing one. Okay. This changing table. I need to make a fake one of these in order to trigger it. But yeah, this works. Oh. Then 3 seconds, I didn't see it. Okay, after 3 seconds, it needs to disable. One more time, and then I'm ending stream. Okay, happens. Table disappear. Okay, this works. Okay, we finally did it. It's kind of a band-aid fix, but it works. It actually works. Oh my gosh. We can proceed to the next step, and then soon, we're going to have languages again. Oh my gosh. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it wonderful? We're finally going to have a translation system that's so easy to use. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. 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 Even this stuff right here, when it updates, it'll work. Like, it'll fix itself. I want to break again? What do you mean break again? It won't break because it's literally disabling the table. So the table has to be re-enabled for it to translate into the new thing. So what I'm going to do as well is add a cooldown of like Yeah. Oh no, it won't break because once I finish the code, all I have to do is change the name and change what's inside the text, the TMP, and that's it. That's literally it. Okay, I'm gonna end stream for now. I'm overloaded, and yeah. Okay, thanks for hanging out, everyone. I hope you enjoy your stay. Have a good morning, evening, afternoon, whatever it may be, and thanks for sticking through thick and thin of my suffering. Hopefully, finally, because I know we've been getting a lot more Asia players in Horizon, so I've been wanting to like push this forward. Anyways, bye. Oh, wrong scene. This is the render scene. Entertaining? I was suffering, but I'm glad you enjoyed. Alright, bye. Merry Christmas as well, by the way. I won't be streaming on Christmas Day because I'm not going to be there. And no Haven tomorrow. Maybe a hangout, but no official Haven since it's, yeah. Mwah.